Thank you guys so much for subscribing. It's been 1 year and I already have 2,000 subscribers. Alright guys, today I'm going to be making this board on Scratch.
Quiet forest, but the heart of the South is far from quiet. The streets filled with a chorus of a song that plays all night and day with that music.
Alright guys, I just finished up, so let's see how it looks. Alright guys, here's how it looks. You can see that on the scratch words, I did outlay. That means like the words itself are kind of like coming off the pieces of wood. And then on the 2,000 subscribers, I did inlay, which means the letters itself are in the board. So I might touch up the scratch part, but here's how it looks so far. Alright guys, I just finished up, so let's see how it looks. You can see it turned out pretty good. My next step will be to round the edges and then paint those black. Alright guys, I just finished up spray painting it, so let's see how it looks. Alright, you can see it turned out pretty good. Next step will be to sand off the extra paint on the top here, because we don't want that. We'll sand it off on the top and on the bottom to make it look all nice. So let's get started.